Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. It is April 12th, 2024, and today I will be reading more Amazon Advertising API documentation. I believe today we will be covering retrieving a client profile and then reading through it and actually getting close to making our first API call. So will we do it on this call? This video, I don't know. Depends on how long I take to read through the documentation, but let's see what happens. All right, let's dive right in. Retrieve a profile ID. That's what it is. Actually, before we get started, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to thank all of the people who have watched my yesterday's video, liked it, comment on it. Let me just go through some stuff here. Hold on. That's not it. Here we go. John, Jenny, Tanvir. I'm just going to, I can't go through everybody, but just myself. So thank you so much to everyone who engaged with this post. It really helps with just confirming that it's interesting to people, and also helps with the algorithm of these social media platforms to give it more visibility. So thank you so much. There we go. Thank you for the love. Thank you to all of the 49 people who watched my short yesterday, the 2 people who liked it, the 63 people who watched the video on YouTube. This is my YouTube studio. 16 reactions, Mehtab, Soham, Dustin, Peter, Natalia, Alex. Thank you so much. Also, huge thank you to you, Dustin, for helping me out, just giving me a little extra insight into doing this. So thank you so much. Really strongly appreciate it. 100%. Made sure to comment. Thanks for the comment as well, Rana, and for tagging somebody. Thank you for everybody who engaged and liked the post. Ahmad, Gev, Graham, Jaboan, the Zab Twins, Tony, Neil, and also to the, 128 people. It's 128 people who saw my post, and also those who loved it. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Can't go through each one of these because that's a lot of people. And then I think we have over 200 who watched the post as well. So thank you so much to everybody who watched the post as well. 201 people. Thank you so much. Wasim, I see Eric. Thank you guys so much. Really means a lot to me. Keeps me motivated. So with that being said, grateful to everyone for that engagement. And honestly, for everybody who, my clients, my students, my software users, mastermind members, everybody. All right, let's dive in. Retrieve a profile ID. All right, let's see. The client ID of a login with Amazon client application that approved for it. We have that. We have a client ID. Need an access token. A profile ID representing the user's advertising account in a specific marketplace. Once you have generated an access token, follow these steps to retrieve a profile ID for use in requests to the API. To review the steps so far, see the Getting Started overview for conceptual information. Okay, cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. Postman collection. I don't even know what that is. API endpoints. Oh, these are the endpoints. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So I can save these as variables. I use Python, so I'll save these as variables in Python for sure. API endpoints. Save those. Edit. Let's go to PPC Agility. Points. All right, cool. For a user that manages an advertising account in Mexico. The host for North America. Gotcha. Oh, the request has 2 required headers. My client ID. Oh, actually, I know how to do that. Yep, bearer. For a call to North America using curl, substitute your values in the following request. So that's a header right there. It's another header right there. Cool. I love how they give us the code as well, which is nice. Can we copy it? I bet you this is copy. Yeah, you just copy it. Profiles response. The response to a successful call at this endpoint includes a list of profiles associated with the user account in the API's host region. For example, the response from the North American host for a user account that manages exactly one would resemble the following. We've got our profile ID, we've got our country code, currency code, time zone, string ID, entity, vendor, name of the account. Man, it's going to get tricky here because I want to be able to, share this with everybody, but I'm going to be working with sensitive information. So I'm going to have to figure out how to do this so that, people can see it. Oh man, this is going to be tricky because I'm going to be accessing data. Do you see multiple profiles? Each profile. Pass the profile. An empty array. Already seen that. You can use optional parameters in your request. Okay. If the user author is a manager account, the response will include all accounts. For accounts, gotcha. Aside from the V2 profiles endpoint, request can access resources for only one profile. The selected profile is determined by the profile ID passed as the Amazon advertising scope header. For subsequent requests to the API, you'll pass your client ID access token. This kind of sucks because I want to share this journey or just continue with these recordings. But I will be using sensitive information. So I'm going to have to figure out how to work with that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. For subsequent requests, you'll pass your client ID, access token, and profile ID. A bearer token. I know how to do that. Cool. Next steps, making your first call. I might read this really quick. Getting started using the Amazon Ads Postman collection. The Amazon Ads includes scripts. Oh, that's pretty cool. Many first-time callers may use. You will need the client ID and client secret of a login approved to use the C onboarding. All right, I've got both of those. We've got both of those. Login credentials for an Amazon user that manages AM accounts. A third-party tool that allows Postman. Oh, that's interesting. So I would download a tool called Postman. Huh. That's pretty interesting. Configure the environment? Now I have to decide if I want to use this or not. Download the Postman environment file and collection file from GitHub into Postman to verify the import. Huh. Select environments. Manually set the current value for the following variables. The client ID of the login with. Open the console in the Postman footer. The address, retrieve, post access token, find the code parameter. A successful request sets the access token. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is interesting. Oh, we're done. Hold on. That's pretty cool, man. I think I'm gonna get this thing. Yep, I'm going to put that on there. I think I'm going to see what happens. This Postman collection looks pretty cool, actually. Yeah, I like it. Hold on. Oh, cool. View the entire. Cool. So what I'm going to do probably on the next video is just watch these videos. So I'm going to be making a video of me watching a video. All right, cool. All right, I think so. The next video, I'm probably going to look into this Postman collection to see. It says it's a lot easier to use. So I might as well see what it's all about. Cool. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching this one. I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a note to watch Postman video walkthrough and then download it and see if we can get started with it. All right. Until next time.